You worked in the ad industry for 9 very long years.
Salamat sa paglagay ng very. I
Yes.
feel very seen.
I wanted to know, what was your day-to-day like as an account manager noon?
Sure, sige, para rin meron na tayong war flashbacks
Sige,
for
go.
the children of tomorrow. No pa yung kidding. Sure, I'll type it right now.
Sure.
Sa doc to better outline and
Yes.
also just give you a picture of how my day was like. I would wake up around 6:30 a.m. and then of course,
Yeah.
I would ask myself kung mag-sick leave na lang ba ako. Of course, ang sagot nun lagi, I know dahil wala tayong choice at marami tayong kailangang bayaran na bills. I start the day with a workout. So, I work out for about an hour dahil kailangan gising na ang diwa ko. Bilang marami tayong papatayin na apoy as a corporate bumbera.
Yes, bombero.
And then, 9 a.m. we get to the office. Of course, check ng email. And then, check with the messenger kung merong kukunin na PR kits or ipapadalang invoice. But I feel like the highlight of my morning is really always the temperature check with the creatives. Kasi kailangan kong malaman kung good mood ba sila para alam ko kung pwede ko ba silang tambakan ng trabaho after lunch. Then 12 o'clock, lunch. And then 1 o'clock, lunch part 2, of course. And then the afternoon, it's really a bunch of presentations or alignment meetings. But of course, nakadepende sa hapon na yun kung babalik pa ako sa office ulit in the evening to revise yung mga decks. And actually, if you think about it, I should have used Canva during this time. Baka mas napaaga yung uwi ko or baka na-approve agad yung mga presentation in one pass, because sometimes it really just takes the right template for somebody to like fully grasp your idea. So yeah, that's a very dynamic day for an advertising warrior.
You make it sound so fun and interesting kahit na I'm sure pagod na pagod ka nun. So thank you for sharing your day-to-day as an accounts manager.
Salamat.